Hey guys, TecTimmy here. So I just took my Echo wall clock out of the box, and I was hoping to do an unboxing video for you guys, but I actually had an epic fail during setup with trying to pair this with my Echo Show 2nd generation. Doing a little bit of digging in the forums, it looks like other folks have had problems as well. I'm gonna nix that video, and instead, I'll do a little walkthrough of the setup here. What came in the box is, here's the blue box is the clock itself, and the 4 AA batteries. Amazon includes those, which is nice. Little instruction book, and there's also some drywall screws in here as well. If you open one end of this, you get the batteries, and you open the other side, you get the drywall screw and anchor is in there. So there we go. So there's the drywall screw and anchor. So like I said, so setup has been a little painful. I'm trying to get this to cooperate with my Echo Show. I did rename my trusty dot here to have the wake word be ECHO instead of ALEXA. So if you guys have your devices set up to use ECHO as the wake word, I would suggest that you put them on mute while you watch this video. So I am going to go ahead and attempt to set this up, and the way that we do that is there is a next to the battery compartment, there is a very small blue button that I actually missed the first time I looked at this, because there's 3 other holes that are very similar size, not the best design, but so what Amazon suggests that you do in the instructions is you basically, actually let me go right to that page so I make sure I get the command right. So you issue a command for setup, and then who is going to ask you to hold down that blue button for 10 seconds until you see some lights change on the face of the clock. So that's what should happen. Again, I ran into issues setting up with my Echo Show 2nd generation. I'm hoping this goes a little more smoothly and we get this thing set to the right time. So Echo, set up my Echo wall clock.
Okay, press and hold the pairing button on the back of your Echo wall clock for up to 10 seconds until the light on the clock's face pulses orange. Pairing may take up to a minute, and the light will turn blue once paired. You can also pair or unpair your clock in the Alexa app under the Bluetooth settings of your Echo device.
And 10 seconds are up, I'd say, so I'm going to let go of the button.
Your Echo wall clock is paired.
Okay,
the
that's
light
encouraging.
will pulse blue for a few minutes as your clock is set to the same time as your Echo device.
Interesting. So
the hands will start and stop several times during this process. Once the time is set, try setting a timer or ask, what can Echo wall clock do?
So it did not do this when I had initially tried to set this up with my Echo Show 2nd generation. So this looks encouraging, and I did suspect that Echo Show 2nd generation was the problem. Could just be slightly older technology, although the Echo Show, the 2nd generation Show, is by far my favorite Echo device. I have several of them, and I really do like that one the best. But so this is interesting. So the hand goes round and round here, which is kind of neat to see, right? See it go around on its own. But let's see if this stops at the correct time, which here is right around, I think it might be 2:35 to 2:30-ish. Let's see. Well, it looks like it's going to go around another revolution here, which is unfortunate. Kind of like watching paint dry, but we're going to wait it out. I don't want to take any chances. One thing that Amazon, I should point out that Amazon cautions you on, it looks like it stopped at 4 p.m. Interesting. Oh, and nope, and now we're continuing. Okay, because it is not 4 p.m. here, so that's, and it's not 4:03 p.m. either. So that's encouraging. Here we go. Good. So we're still moving in the right direction. Just we've got to go around a whole nother revolution here, sadly. But as I started to say, one thing that Amazon cautions you not to do is to touch the face of the clock or the hands at all. So essentially that's a major no-no, I guess, when it comes to this clock. And it's tempting to move those hands through the right time, but don't do it. It sounds like there could be a major issue if you do mess with the clock face and hand. So yeah, just don't go there, I guess. Something that I know just from a little bit of reading up that I've done on this is that during setup, sometimes the hands will actually stop when they get to the high noon mark or midnight. So when that little hand hits the 12, it'll be interesting to see if the clock actually stops or if it continues and goes on to set itself to the right time. I'm hopeful that we can get this to go to the right time. I tried 3 times with the Echo Show, and like I said, epic fail. The Echo Dot seems to be doing the right thing. So fingers crossed here, and they're there. Let's hope that this works this time. By the way, we're waiting for this. If you get any value if you got any value out of this video, if you wouldn't mind hitting the thumbs up button, giving me a like, and please subscribe to my channel. I've only made a couple videos, YouTube videos so far, so this is literally my second one. I did upgrade my setup for unboxing videos, so now at least I have a tripod and a little light. So the quality will get better as time goes on with these things, guys. My second video, so hopefully you'll cut me some slack and you will subscribe, and I thank you. So coming up on high noon here, let's see if it stops or keeps going to the right time. Come on, keep going, up, and okay. So it is set to noon right now, but the blue light is still pulsing, which is encouraging. It did stop around the 4 o'clock mark, if you remember that, which is interesting. That I hadn't seen before. So I'm hoping there are no issues, and this will just go to and set itself to the right time. And as you know who said that it will set itself to the time that is set in your Alexa app. So hopefully we'll get this to go there. And looks like we're moving again, so that's encouraging. And the local time here is 2:50, so that's the magic number that we're looking for. All right. 250, 250, that's what we want. Once it goes past 2 one more time, we want it to stop right there. Yeah, I never thought it would take over an hour to set up my trusty clock here, but that it has. There we go. Wonderful. So it did stop at the right time. We still have the blue light pulsing, so I'm going to wait, and then we're going to test it by trying to run a timer. And if you're not familiar with the Echo wall clock at all, that really is the main benefit of the clock, is that it visually shows you your timers, and you can set multiple timers, and it will even count down. Ooh, that's cool. So I would say that means that setup is finished. It's interesting that who doesn't tell you that it's finished, but let's try it. Let's try a timer and see what we get. Echo, set timer 10 seconds, and you should see lights right around here. And there we go. So it lights up and it counts down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Cool. Echo off. All right, let's try multiple timers. Echo, set timer 1 minute.
1 minute, starting now.
I believe this will show you a full minute second hands wise. Yep, and there you go. And it's counting down. Echo, set second timer 30 seconds. So I think what that will do is light up
30 seconds,
the little tick under the 6 only. Okay, and now that the 30-second timer is counting down as well. And because it beat the minute timer, it's going ahead, and the minute timer is still falling by. Or maybe yeah. Let's try a third. Echo, set timer 45 seconds.
Third timer, 45 seconds.
And I expect to see a tick here at the 9. And then once the other timer is complete, Echo, off.
The second timer is done.
Echo, off. So this is the 45-second timer now here counting down. Echo, off. And so that's the last of, so that's the third timer that I set, or maybe the fourth, the 45-second timer. And so, yeah, so it just puts a little nick, lights it up nice and dark for you. If you set multiple timers, otherwise the timer that has the least amount of time left counts down. Echo, off. And with that, I think I'm going to just go ahead and end this video. So there you have it. This is the Echo wall clock. I'm absolutely stoked to get this up on my wall. I think it's a very nice looking clock. It does feel a little cheapish, as others have said. It has a plasticky type feel, but it looks great, and I think it's going to look great in my kitchen. And I'm going to put it right next to my Amazon Basics microwave, and which I will do a video on for sure, because I think that's one of the coolest things I've seen in a while. So anyway, the Echo wall clock, there you have it. I hope you watch future videos. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye for now.